If you're looking for the perfect gift for the golfer in your life, I'm going to share with you my 10 favorite. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So, you might be looking for a gift for yourself, like I am, but you might be looking for a gift for someone else this holiday season. Maybe it's a birthday, maybe something is coming up that you want to celebrate, and your target recipient is a golfer. So, I wanted to put together 10 of my favorite golf products this year so that you might be able to find something that fits your budget and makes that golfer happy. As someone who does like to golf as much as I can, I would be happy to receive any of these, and I'm starting at the lowest price point and going up. So in case you're looking for something that's like a stocking stuffer, something that's small, fairly affordable, all the way up to no holds barred, you can buy anything you want. I think you can find something for everyone here. So the first thing I want to mention here is what is called tour tees. These are not just plastic tees, but they are actually designed to give you more speed, be easier to hit off the tee. They are awesome. You can see they come in black and white. I really love these. I've been playing with these. They actually save you a ton of money too, because they don't break nearly as often as wooden tees. So you might only need one of these in your pocket the whole round, and so it can save a golfer a lot of time. And they look really cool too, so they look high tech. And they are only $9 for a set of these. So if you're looking for something that fits pretty much any budget, something like this I think can make a golfer very happy. Next on the list are the Titleist Pro V1 golf balls. These are widely considered the best golf balls out there. I have seen a lot of other golf balls that do very well, but Pro V1s, it's a meme in the world that they're very expensive. They're like $5 a ball. A dozen of these is not cheap, but it's not going to set you back a ton of money. And if you are going to give someone a dozen of these or even a sleeve of these, they will know what they are. They will say, wow, these are the best golf balls available, and they will be really impressed with this. So at $50 for a dozen, it's a great gift. This is something that a lot of golfers won't buy themselves. They will go with a cheaper golf ball, but they will like going out on the golf course with the premium golf ball and show that off to everyone, because a lot of times people will go hunting in the woods or fishing in the creek for Pro V1s. They'll be really excited when they find used ones. So give them new. All right, so the next thing here is Craftsman Golf. There are a ton of stuff from Craftsman that I really like, and this one is their lightweight stand bag. It's called a Sunday bag. It's not a full golf bag, so if you're like, what person I'm giving this to already has a golf bag, this is not meant for that. This is meant for going to the driving range, maybe a par 3 course. They want to just take a few clubs, and what normally happens is we pull out the clubs we want, we just grab them, we put them in the trunk, they're rattling all over the place, and we got to grab them, put them under our arm, take them to the driving range. Something like this is a small golf bag, really thin. It's probably no bigger than this. You put 3, 4, 5 clubs in there max. You go out to the driving range. It's super convenient. They stand up so that you can grab them easily. It's very light. And the thing about this, the Craftsman stuff, is that it is second to none in quality, and it's only $69 for this. So these Sunday bags can easily be $100, $200. So this is like a third of the price of many of the Sunday bags and has no inferiority in quality. It's as good as any of the ones I've seen at a price point that you can afford. All right, the next thing, and this is cool, but I will tell you that it takes a long time, is a custom head cover for the driver. So a lot of us like putting a cover over our driver. Maybe it's our favorite plush animal, maybe it's a picture of our kids or whatever, but something like this, you can order a custom head cover for someone. If they have a logo, if they have their own name, you want to put their monogram, get it stitched in there. Golf Iconic will do a very nice one. You can pick real leather, synthetic leather, I think cloth in some cases, and have whatever design you want. And so I actually had my logo embroidered into it. It looks super nice. It is super high quality. I actually had it done in this synthetic leather so that I don't have to worry about it getting caught in the rain and warping and all that stuff. Looks fantastic. I've had it for years. Still looks great. What I would say is that any custom product like this takes a while to get. I think they had some supply chain issues. So if you're trying to get something quick, this probably isn't the right thing. But if you're trying to get something that is super unique, something that they can look at, feel a little good about their ego, I think they are going to like this. And it's not that expensive, $80. It's going to be more than just a plain head cover, but it's something that they may use forever. There are some other ways to get custom head covers that are a little lower rent, but this one is second to none. If you were to buy a super high-end driver and it would come with a custom head cover, they're almost not as nice as these. So the next one is the Adidas Boa Spikeless golf shoes. Your golfer may have had golf shoes that they have used for the last few seasons. They're maybe not getting that comfortable. They're getting squished down in the padding, and getting them a new set of golf shoes could be really nice. The spikeless shoes are wonderful. I wear these specific golf shoes, the Adidas because the spikeless shoes, they feel great. They feel like you're wearing a tennis shoe, so I can go driving to the course in them. I don't have to take them separately and put them on when I get there. I can run errands in them. They've got great grip. They're great on the golf course. And then the BOA construction means that there's a little dial where the laces would be, so I just tighten them by turning the dial. Yeah, it's a lazy man's thing, but I really enjoy it. Not having to lace them up, not having to worry about those laces loosening over time. This is just super cool. It looks super high tech, and they're not super expensive. $81, you can go up to $170 in these, but I'm telling you, I've always spent basically $100 or less on these, and they are so comfortable. They're awesome golf shoes. I don't even care what they cost. They are my go-to shoes. The next one here is a brand new product, Roll a Putt by Perfect Practice. I've actually had Perfect Practice mats for a while. I just got this Roll a Putt. It is awesome, and what I love about this is twofold. One, if you want to practice putting at home, sometimes people do it on carpet. That's not really a good simulation for what your putter and golf ball will do on a course. And so something like this is actually a really good training aid, and Perfect Practice is the premier name in practice putting mats. And this Roll a Putt one has two distinct advantages. One, when you're done with it, you can just roll this whole thing up, put it in the closet, put it under your bed, whatever. It's really easy to store, so you don't have something out that is taking up a lot of space. The second piece about this is that it's probably one of the cheapest ones they've ever made. $98, $100, you can get them at Walmart. And so a lot of their practice putting mats are a couple $100. So this is actually the cheapest one. So totally, I would pick this one up. It's great. Now, the next one here is a WOE Sports Rangefinder. So a lot of times on the golf course, you're trying to figure out what the range is to the pin or to a hazard. This one is really awesome because not only will it give you those distances, but it also has what's called slope. So if you're going up or down, it'll give you compensated distances. And again, this is not that expensive. $80 for this thing. So you can get it on Amazon. It's $80. It's got all the features of the big boys. I have been using one. They are fantastic. And that slope makes a big difference because sometimes we get the right distance, but if you're going uphill, you're not going to hit it as far. So something like this can give you those adjustments right away. Now, and in the same vein, if your person doesn't have a rangefinder, doesn't have a GPS watch, a GPS watch is awesome. So I use a Garmin Approach. I've used this one in the past. It's great. And this one's S12. They have one up to S60, X62, something like that. But what they will do is they will just show you the distances to the hole on the watch, even some of the hazards and the layout of the ground. So what is awesome about these is you can just quickly glance down. You don't have to ask your friend. You don't have to carry a big GPS, but they are a little more expensive at about $150. I think they are worth every penny. And if your golfer doesn't have one of these, he's going to absolutely love it, man. He's going to never go back. He's going to play golf, or she's going to play golf, and they are going to use this and they'll be like, I don't know how I golf without it. In fact, if I forget my watch, I have done that on occasion, gone to the golf course, I've driven back home to get it because it is that important. All right, now let's say you want them to enjoy golfing at home. IGolf is a really cool product. It's a little sensor that goes into a little practice swing product here, and you connect it with an app on your phone or iPad, and you connect it to your TV, and it's like having a little golf simulator at home. It actually really uses your swing data, speed and angle and wrist turn. Yeah, it's not as good as hitting a real golf ball, but I have played this with some of my friends who are actually really good golfers, and we have really enjoyed the heck out of ourselves in the living room playing this on TV. The graphics are super cool, and it's one of these things you can take it on vacation with you. You can just play it on your phone at your office if you really wanted to. Yeah, it's a little more expensive, about $250, but you get the little sensor that plugs into the swing tool, and you can download the app and get playing right away. It is super cool. I have it. I actually just bought the next version of it because in bad weather, you're at home, can't go out golfing, don't have the time, but you have 20, 30 minutes. You just want to do it at home late at night, whatever. It is super fun to do. Now, the big boy spend here is the Rapsodo MLM. This is actually something I have. It's a launch monitor, and it gives you all sorts of data about how your shots are. So you can use this on the course if you want. I really use it at the driving range. You put it behind you, takes video of you. It gives you all your shot information so you can really work on your swing, get your swing speed up, get your direction corrected, all of those types of things. So it's really nice, but it's pretty pricey at $350 or up to $400. Yeah, it's not the cheapest thing in the world, but it can be super, super useful. So those are my top 10 gifts this year for the golfer in your life. If you want to pick up any of these, I'll put links to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than everything.